Welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use iPhone as webcam on PC. This method is perfect if you don't have a built-in or external webcam, but still want to use your iPhone's high-quality camera. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and search for DroidCam. Go to the official website DroidCam app, scroll down, and download the DroidCam client for Windows. Click on Windows Setup, then press the download button. Once the file is downloaded, open your File Explorer, go to your Downloads folder, and double-click the installer. Install it just like any other program, and press Finish once it's done. Now let's set up your iPhone. Open the App Store, tap on Search on the bottom, and then type DroidCam. Click on the first official app. Download the app and press Open once it's installed. When you launch the app, press Continue at the bottom and allow the necessary permissions like camera and microphone access. Rotate your phone to the position you want and place it securely where it can capture you clearly. Now, back on your computer, search for DroidCam client and open it. Click Add Device. If your phone doesn't show up automatically, press Refresh. On your iPhone screen, you'll see an IP address. Enter that IP into the DroidCam client on your PC. You can also choose whether you want to include audio from your iPhone. Once done, press OK and the connection will be established. If needed, you can flip the camera on your iPhone. And that's how you use iPhone as webcam on PC. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech guides. Thanks for watching.